What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're going to be making something called Remember the Maine. Remember the Maine is a really complex herbal drink. I tried this a few times before and I just fell in love with it. It's really, really good. And it's a stir drink. Pretty easy if you have all the ingredients. No juices to worry about, but let's get started. First up, what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 ounces of rye. I'm using bullet rye. Then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of Sweet Vermouth. I'm using Martini and Rossi. Then, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of cherry liqueur. I'm using cherry hearing. Don't use maraschino liqueur because maraschino liqueur and cherry liqueur have very different tastes. But cherry hearing, that is probably one of the best cherry liqueurs in my opinion. And then to finish it off, we're going to do a bar spoon or a teaspoon of Garnish or Pastis of your choice. You can also use absinthe as well. Okay. We're gonna add ice to our glass. And we're gonna stir until chilled for about 30 seconds. Okay. Now we're done. We have a chilled coupe. Dump that out. We're gonna strain into our chilled coupe. Just garnish with a lemon twist. Britzel. And there we have it. Remember the Maine. Let's give it a sip. I should probably remember the name. Oh. That's so good. So you get those kind of spicy whiskey notes from the rye. And then the herbs from the Sweet Vermouth, and then the cherry notes of the cherry hearing, and the anise taste of the Pernod. It all blends really well together. It's a really pleasing cocktail. I highly, highly recommend trying it, especially if you're not a big fan of Pernod or any other anise type of liqueur. This is a really great way to jump into it because the anise flavor just, again, really flows well together, and it's kind of masked with the other flavors, so it's very, very pleasing. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. It really helps out the channel. Make sure you share it with your friends. And again, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next one.